Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas on my YouTube channel Civil Engineers Help Desk. Viewers, today we have a very important topic and which is what is d square by 162.16 and where it is used. Also we will cover another topic related to this, which is calculation of unit weight of steel. We will also learn how to calculate unit weight of steel. Viewers, before studying our topic, uh, remember this formula. If you want, first of all we will derive this derivation d square by 162.168. For this derivation you must remember this formula: weight of steel bar per meter is equal to volume of steel bar multiplied by density of steel bar. First of all, we have a steel bar whose diameter is represented by d and whose length is 1 meter, because we are working for per meter. For 1 meter we will derive derivation for 1 meter. So first of all we will calculate volume of 1 meter. Volume of 1 meter steel bar. Volume of 1 meter steel bar. As you know, steel bar is round, circular, so its formula will be pi r square, as you know. But viewers, we know that r, which is known as radius, is equal to diameter divided by 2. We learn in very primary classes that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. We put this value in this figure, so I am only writing volume, but this volume mean volume of 1 meter of steel bar. So volume is equal to pi r square, which is equal to r is equal to d divided by 2 and whole square. So after solving it will become pi d square divided by 4. But viewers, we are working for 1 meter, so volume formula is this, but we are working for 1 meter, so we will write here for 1 meter. But viewers, this derivation include diameter, and diameter of steel bars are used in millimeter, always taken in millimeter. On every side you will take diameter of bars in mm. So if we use diameter in mm, so we cannot use this 1 meter in mm, so we have to convert this meter into millimeter, because we are working in millimeter in this derivation. Pi d square divided by 4 multiply 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So this is done. So here we have calculated the volume of 1 meter steel bar. Now we will calculate density. Now viewers, we will calculate density of 1 meter steel bar. As you know, density of steel is 7850. It is calculated value kg per cubic meter. So the density of steel bar is per the density of per mean density of 1 meter steel bar is 7850 kg per cubic meter. So here the problem is cubic meter only, because we are working in millimeter, as diameter value of diameter will always be in mm, so we cannot use meter or cubic meter, so we have to convert this in millimeter. So cubic meter mean we can also write like this: 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm, so we can also write this cubic meter like this. So this is equation number 2. Now if we put volume, this value, and densities, this value in this equation, so we will get weight of steel bar is equal to volume, which is equal to pi d square divided by 4 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by density, which is equal to 7850 divided by 1000 multiply by 1000 multiply by 1000. We write 1000 because we are working in mm. So 1000 divided by cut by 1000, cancel by 1000. So final value weight of bars is equal to, after calculating and solving this value, finally we will get 24649. You can all solve by your own self. You can also derive this after multiplying by these value. 1000 multiply 1000 multiply 4, it will be 4 lakh. Because we didn't put any value in d, so d will remain same. Pi, you know, pi mean, as engineer you should know that pi mean 3.14. So after solving we will final get weight of bar is equal to, finally after solving this we will get 0.00616 d square. Now viewers, our derivation is this, but we get this. Now there is a trick. After using this, we have done this in primary classes, secondary classes, in mathematics, and in sometime in physics. What is the trick? Viewers, if I write this, I want to write this value and divide. So how can I write? You must know that if I want to write this value and divide, so I have to write like this, because we have to follow the rules. Because if I reverse, this value will become multiply with d square. So I did this, and weight of bar will be equal to d square. If I divide 1 by this, I will get 162.3, approximately 302. So this is the formula, d square by 162.3, that engineer often use on side, but most of the engineer do not know about this derivation. Even on site you didn't need this derivation, but as an engineer I think you know how this derivation is derived. So as you know, as an engineer you should try to increase your knowledge day by day. It's a very good thing. So viewers, this is the formula by which we always calculate unit weight of steel. If you are working on a structure and you need steel for this, then how you will calculate steel for this? First of all, you will go to drawing and calculate all lengths. After length you will use this formula, and you will calculate the weight of steel required for your construction in kg or ton. So we will take an example now, and we will try to solve that how this formula will work. Viewers, let us suppose we have a steel of 12 dia. So we have dia of steel, as in mentioned in drawing, that we can use 12 dia for any structure. I am just giving you an example. Dia of steel is 12 So, and the total length that you need is by drawing you have calculated total length, which is you can take, we are working as a roughly. So for understanding I take as I taken as 8 meter. The steel that should be used is 12 dia, and the length of steel bars you need in your structure is 8 So how this formula will work on, and how you will calculate the unit weight of steel? First of all, you will use this formula, d square by 162.3. in d you will put the value of diameter, and here is square, so we will take a square, and here we write 162.3. So after solving you can solve this. You can solve? First of all, take square of 12 and then divide it by 162.3. then what you will get? You will get 0.887 It's mean that for any bar whose diameter is 12 mm, its unit weight will be 0.887 kg. You can even measure it. You can measure it by any method. So if you have bar of 10 mm, you will put here 10 mm, you will get the unit weight of a 10 mm bar. If you have a bar of 20 mm, you have to put value of 20 and d, and you will get the unit weight of 20 mm. Unit weight mean 1 meter weight. Mean if you have a bar of 12 mm and its length will be 1 meter, then its weight will be 0.887. It is called unit weight actually. Now viewers, come to the example. We have a unit weight 0.887 and we have a total length 8 meter. So what we will do, we will multiply unit weight by total length. We have a total length 8 meter, so we multiply by 8. Then what we will get, we will get 7.09 kg. It's mean for our this example we need 7.09 kg steel for this construction, in which the diameter of bar is 12 mm and the total length of that steel required is 8 mm, and that we get 7 kg steel. This is how engineers we will use this formula and we will calculate steel. This is a very important formula that engineer must know, also in interviews or also in site. If you are working on any site and if you have to work on especially steel, and if you have to cut the steel for construction activity or for fixing of steel, and if you do not know this formula, you will be fail. You cannot work on site. So viewers, uh, try to remember this formula. Even if you do not remember this derivation, no problem, but you must know this formula. We have this formula for meter when we are working in meter or millimeter. We have another formula that we will use when we are working in sooth, or when we are working in feet or inches, because it's depend on designer. Sometimes we have drawings in meters and sometimes we have drawings in feet. So this formula will be only applicable when we are working in meter. So viewers, hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Thank you.